the Batwing Swinguard collection. Sandbar stag. Got some Switchblades. This is a prototype by Renzo Poscotto. This is Ambolina wood with a bayonet grind. Has a burl look to it. This is FZLA. This is Cocobolo. This has a half grind. Ram's horn without the bark. Egyptian horn. Got some more sandbar stags. French bovine horn. These are ebony wood. I have 4 of 5 that exist. This is dark horn. And the grand finale, genuine mother of pearl. This is 30,000-year-old Siberian mammoth ivory. This is another mother of pearl. One has a dagger grind, one has a half grind. Then I've got a triple set of the light French bovine horn. And all in all, it's turned out to be a beautiful collection. These knives are no longer in production. This is one of a kind, this is one of a kind, this is one of a kind, that's one of a kind, that's one of 2. Lars in Sweden owns the other one. This is Cocobolo, this is one of a kind, this is one of a kind, this is one of 2 that exist, the other one exists in Angelo Campolin's personal collection. This is a prototype. And quickly I'll show you the Renzo Poscotto, 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 Renzo Poscotto. The other ones are 2010. I think one in ebony wood may be 2011 tank stamp. There's signed certificates. This is a private collection. None of these knives are for sale. I worked very hard to get these, and these knives did not come cheap, but got certificates of authenticity inside, and I really want to thank Lucio, DiBon, and Renzo Poscotto, as well as Angelo Campolin Jr. for making this possible. And these are all signed by Angelo Campolin. Anyway, that's the brood all together. And I've got a matching pair of genuine mother of pearl, and then you've got Siberian mammoth ivory that's 30,000 years old. Dark horn, ebony wood, sandbar stag, FZLA, Ambolina, Cocobolo, Egyptian horn, ram's horn without the bark, French bovine horn, and sandbar stag. Hope you enjoyed it. It's been a fun collection. 26 in all. That's been a fun ride, and it's been very interesting. These knives are just, you just can't beat the sound of one of these knives when they open. 13 inches long. All of them fire like rockets. Take it easy, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so very much, Lucio. Thank you very much, Renzo Poscotto. Thank you very much, Angelo Campolin. Man, never in a million years did I think that I would have this many Batwings. It's been a passion. I've always liked the Rizzy Switchblades, but these take it one step further. 13 inches long. All of them are Italian. They're handmade. One thing you should invest in is some what's called a Latama quick release. I think it was designed by Tank Fisher. I'm running out of card time. If you need lubrication for your switchblades, you can go to the Latama site, or you can go to Tank Fisher's site, and you can see the creations that he has come up with. But in the knife community, in the Switchblade in particular community, his Latama quick release oil is just out of this world. Anyway, take it easy, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.